More breaking updates now coming in. The Kerala High Court has rejected the petition that was filed by the Kerala government against the decision to hand over the operations and management of the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport to the Adani Group. The Kerala LDF government has contended that the airport and its operations should not be handed over to the group, as Adani Group lacks experience in the airport management and its operation, but instead it should be run by the state government. Let me go across to my colleague Vivek for further updates on this. Vivek, what were the points there made by the Kerala government in its decision to hand over the operations to the Adani Group, and what has been the observations made by the Kerala High Court in this regard?
Now, regarding the contentions made by the state government, now the state government was opposing this move right from the beginning. It said that the airport authority's decision to hand over the airport, the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, on a lease basis to the Adani Enterprises Limited is something which should not be allowed. And they say that the Adani Enterprises basically, don't have the experience to actually, run an airport at this point of time. But remember, in the lease, during the issue initially, 6 airports, especially from Ahmedabad, Vadodara, and other, including 6 airports, which includes the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport, was handed over to the Adani Enterprises Limited for the maintenance and operations on a lease basis. Now, right from the beginning, during the bidding process, itself. The state government was opposing it. Now, the central government, especially aviation minister, has said there was a fair bidding process that was allowed at this point of time. The price, the price quoted by the state government was very much lesser than the one quoted by the Adani Group, and hence it goes to the Adani Group. Now, also, the BJP, the state BJP leadership was, very much, precise on this. They were actually vetting for the Adani Group. They say that the state government basically lacks, the experience in this. Even though there are 2 other airports in the state, which is run by the state, which is run by the government. Here, if you look at the condition, especially the user development fee, the facilities, and other such issues, there are a lot of issues that are pertaining to these, airports, and there has been a lot of complaints, especially when it comes to the Thiruvananthapuram International Airport. If you look at the operations and the management, especially the commercial management of the airport, it is something way, way behind the other airports in the country. And also, the user development fee in this particular airport is very high. Now, the state government said that it should be handed over to the state. But the High Court has clearly rejected it, which means that the operations and management of this airport will be going directly to the Adani Enterprises from here on.
All right. Vivek, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates there.